Hey guys, it's your boy Praise right here on YouTube. Today I'm going to show you guys how to identify strong support and resistance points. I always go for 4 hours candles because it's much easier on the 4 hours time frame. And just to be very clear, the highest point is a resistance when it starts dropping, and the lowest point when it starts jumping is a support. Think of it like this: support is the floor and resistance is the ceiling. So let's look for a strong resistance and strong support. To do that, we need to add a horizontal line. Tap the screen, you see your shortcut, click on the shapes, you can add horizontal lines. At the bottom here, I think we see a strong support at 0.107771. Here we can see it is respected 3 times or more. So we quickly add a horizontal line here, and at the top we can see a resistance 2. We can add another horizontal line. Quickly you can see that we've created our support and resistance, and you can easily trace it back to the history to confirm. You can also change the time frame from 4-hour time frame to 2-hour time frame. Why? Because when you do so, you can actually gain a second confirmation of that support and resistance. So here is the 4-hour time frame, and this is quickly how you can identify strong supports and resistance. So I hope this video is clear and understandable. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Thank you for watching this video, and for more trading content like this, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Have a beautiful day and stay safe.